My name is Shaygan Hallaj. I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm from Iran. Today I'm going to share my experience with you about Ador Welding Training Division. The reason I choose to become a welder and take this welding training course is that I'm aiming to become a welding inspector. And without becoming a good welder, you cannot become a good welding inspector. This course will help me to gain the practical knowledge which I need to become a good technical person. The reason I choose Ador Welding is they have the best practices in West of India. They have the best workshops and the best trainers. So you can learn from a complete workshop from a best trainer here. The courses which are learned here are SMAW, Shielded Metal Arc Welding, GMAW, Gas Shielded Metal Arc Welding, OFCW, Oxy-Fuel Cutting Welding, which are most used in industry and they're door to advanced welding. Thank you.